times 18. Cosine, and we do know angle A, that's 108 degrees. So once you enter that in your calculator, then you can go ahead and, once you set it up on paper, then you can just go ahead and punch that on your calculator. And so we're going to go ahead and apply the square root to both sides. And since we don't have a negative side, we're going to drop the plus or minus, and we just get A. It is going to be approximately equal to 26.8. Okay, so side A we know now is 26.8. And that's all we have to know for that first problem. Okay, now on section 6.5, on problems 1 through 8, they say use the law of cosines to determine the indicated side. So here we have a triangle, and we don't know what that angle theta is, but we do know all three sides. This is this angle A, angle B, angle C. And we do know that side A is 122.5. And side C, we know that's 154.6. And we do know side B is 60.1. So we need to find angle C. Alright, so this first group of problems, we're only going to find either one side or one angle for this first group of problems. Okay, so since we're looking for angle C, we want to put side C opposite the equal sign. So that'll be, we're going to put C squared equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB. Cosine angle C. Okay, so C squared we know is 154.6. And that'll be squared equals to side A is 122.5 squared plus side B is 60.1 squared minus 2 times side A is 122.5 and side C, or B rather, is 60.1. And cosine theta. Alright, so from here we can go ahead and find, what we can do is subtract 122.5 from both sides, squared, minus 122.5 squared, and apply minus 60.1 squared to both sides. And this is what we've got so far. We've got 154.6 squared minus 122.5 squared, this is a decimal here, minus 60.1 squared, and that equals to negative 2 times 122.5 times 60.1 cosine theta. So now, if we were to go ahead and might want to go ahead and find out what the left side is, find out what the numbers are on the right side, and then that way you might find it easier to work it that way. So let's try that. So we calculate all this out, and we get 52, 82.9, and that equals to a negative 2 times 122.5 times 60 is a negative 14724.5 cosine theta. So we go ahead and divide both sides by that.